good old Facebook, or Meta, I guess we can call it. Oh, this is interesting. So, massive bull week, smoked the $300 level. There's a ton of momentum here, but it is headed into the danger zone up here. It's still probably good to go till 340, so you could still get 15 bucks out of this. This weekly candle is so bullish and engulfed last week's that I think you're definitely good to buy. And I would wait for price to come back down here a little bit. So don't buy it immediately, but let it come down a little bit, and then hold it to about 340. I think that's a safe, very safe bet. But then it gets a little iffy after that, because between 340, 350, there's a ton of previous wicks here, so that's kind of where momentum might die off, and it might start selling. But so far so good. I think it's still a good buy. I do think Facebook is actually one of the better price stocks. Oh no, it used to be. Okay, because I remember looking at this and it was like 15-20 before, and it's pretty much double now, so it's quite a bit higher. 116 billion revenue. It's like 7 times market cap to revenue, so that's high. So this stock is overpriced now, but as of this week's closing, I think there's still a ton of momentum going into it, so I think it's still a safe buy, to be honest. I think it's one of your better bets. I would just try to find a decent price. There is a chance, because this gap here, there's a chance that price will try to fill this gap, so I think you're good to buy it at any price up until 340. So if you got in at 317, 310, 303, if price to decide to close this gap, I think you could get in at any area within 317 to 303, and I think it would be a good buy up until 340. I think that would be a pretty decent trade. Let's look at maybe a couple more. Oh, that's not my Stokes. What should we look at?